Hello and welcome to this midday market mood check with me, Nandita, Khemka, and my colleague Yatin, Mota. Well, pardon me, I have a very bad throat, but well, for the markets, it's turning out to be a very okay sort of day.
Yeah.
You know, nothing much to look at in terms of movement. Even though we have shaved off the opening gains that we saw, but the Sensex is just about 40 odd points lower or thereabouts. It's the mid and small cap indices that are outperforming, continuing to outperform the benchmark indices. You know, the mid cap index last I checked was up over 0.5%. Same for the small cap index as well. Aside of that, if you look at the sectoral movers, IT index is still in the red.
Correct.
But if you look at the gainers, HCL Tech is among the top Nifty mover in today's session. Remember, the company will be reporting its fourth quarter earnings on the 20th, which is day after tomorrow. Aside of that, if you look at the realty and banking sectors, both of them are doing extremely well in today's session. Realty index was up over 1.5%. Even the Nifty bank was around that 42,500 mark last I checked. And among the Nifty gainers, you had the likes of HCL Tech, as I mentioned, IndusInd Bank, Dr. Reddy's, Coal India, Nestle, by the way, is extending its gain. Yesterday, it was up somewhere around 4%. Also, among the losers, you have Bajaj Auto, you have Power Grid, Titan, and Apollo Hospitals are some of the counters that are not doing well. Yatin, not much to talk about when it comes to large caps, but you know, in the mid cap end of the market, quite a lot of result reactions.
Correct.
JustDial.
Yeah, JustDial is there, and we also have Quickheal. So these are the two quasi tech companies, if I may put it so, which are conversely reacting to their numbers. In fact, JustDial, good performance on the margin front. Stock has been gaining traction. However, Quickheal post weak numbers. Both of them are doing well. Yesterday also,
once again,
the momentum was there. Today also we have seen graphite up 4%, and also railway stocks, among which RICE and RVNL. Both of these stocks are doing well. So yes, the mid cap end of the market is quite active. Few PSU banks are doing well, the likes of Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, and clearly the results which will be expected in the next 2-3 weeks for PSU bank should be good.
Right.
So in general, there is buying in the PSU names, the likes of railway stocks and banking stocks. And overall, yes, the action is quite muted in large caps after the sentiments have dampened post weak IT results.
Right. I also want to talk about Angel One. That stock was up somewhere around 4% or so. I last checked it. The profits have jumped 30%, and operating performance has also been pretty strong. So on the back of that, it's buzzing in trade. You know, I saw Lupin. That stock is also up 5%. I really can't pinpoint a trigger for that, but it's doing pretty well in today's session. Also, Jubilant Foodworks. That stock was up somewhere around 2% or so. Coca-Cola India has bought a stake, in fact, in its hashtag, in its associate firm #loyalty. So, aside of that, when you look at Tata Chemicals, that stock was among the top Nifty losers on Nifty 500 rather. And it has cut soda ash prices, and on the back of that, it was down somewhere around 5% in today's session. Varun Beverages, there was a small block deal in the counter. That stock was falling after that. And we had a new debut today, Avalon Tech.
Yeah, it was
very muted. Very muted. Like it listed at I think its issue price on the NSE.
So right now, Nandita, the issue price was 436. It listed around 430, and now it's slipping in trade. In fact, it's gone below 400 rupees, 9% down versus the issue price. So yes, it has been a disappointing listing on the last.
Extremely disappointing. Aside of that, it's pretty much muted, as Yatin mentioned. But Yatin, I want to ask you, when are you planning to visit the new Apple store in BKC? We had the Moneycontrol covered it in in
I use
details,
Android
and
phone,
there.
Nandita. I am no great fan of Apple products. And when you get a normal Apple product in a normal retail store, why do you need really to go to the Apple store? I visited the Apple store in New York, but it doesn't excite me.
But we have our own now, so at least I am going to go and check it out, because Moneycontrol did go there.
But who will stand in queues for hours and hours and wait for just to look at products? It's a different thing if you want to buy some products. Or you might get an Apple watch free or a phone free, but nothing of that sort or any offers are there today at the store. So let's wait. We'll go aram se when there is no rush, hush bush.
Well, I'm planning to check it out this weekend itself. So, but with that, I think the markets are pretty muted. Not much to speak about when it comes to the large caps. So, Yatin will be back with you guys around market close to get you all the action as to how the market shuts off for the day. And for now, I think it's a wrap from me and Yatin, but for all your other news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.